Today topic is escape sequence. Suppose we want to write a string. I am learning Python, but we cannot write it because we have a 3 single quotes. And as we know, strings follows quote symmetry. Single quotes after I and single quotes before am is a contracted form of IM. Python interpreter will get confused as to where the string starts. When we run this code, we will be encountered error. So avoid this error, need to change our code little bit. We should enclose that string using a double quotes. Now I'm going to run this code. Now interpreter correctly interprets the single quotes within the string. But you have to keep single quotes for some reason. So there is another way to avoid error. We can use here escape sequence. We can specify it by using a backslash character. Backslash is termed as a escape character. It tells Python whatever character comes after this backslash, accept that character as it is as a part of the string. This escape character don't apply any special meaning to that character. So the single quote just before M will not be treated as terminating string. It will just be treated as a part of string. Let's run. Let's see two more escape sequence. First one is tab escape sequence. So you can see here there is a one string. Python is flexible and easy to use open source language. So here I want space between use and open. So at that moment we can use tab cap sequence. Just put backward slash and T and execute that. You can see here right now there is a space between use and open. Second escape sequence is newline. There is a one statement, first line dot second line. So I want to execute this statement in two different lines. So at that moment we can use newline escape sequence. So simply we put here backward slash n and execute this.